On today's adventure, we're drinking a beer that's probably not going to be very good, but it was an absolute freaking classic and an absolute shock when it was reimagined from an amber ale to a golden ale. I am talking about the legendary Fat Tire Amber Ale from New Belgium Brewing Company out of Fort Collins, Colorado. This beer comes in at 5.2%. Its best by date was 14th of May, 2023. Should I open it or should I keep it sealed? I'm gonna open it. What the hell? I got my trusty New Belgium glass right here. Let's see if it even fizzles. So let's see if we even get a psst or any of that. So without further ado, crack her open. Ooh, oh, yeah. She's wanting to gush out, guys. Put the rest in. There you go. Okay. It's a little bit more hazier than it should be, but not by much. The bubbles off the bottom of the glass. But yeah, still looks delicious. Look at that. Still same color. Still white head. Mixed bubbles, little loose bubbles in there. Yeah, this looks divine. Cheers. Let's give it a smell. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have kept more than one. Actually, I have another one, but it's in my cellar. We'll never drink it. I'm keeping that one sealed forever. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a long time to sit down and record this review of the Fat Tire Amber Ale because it's like I only have 2 left, and this beer is long expired. But aromas, get some sweet malty notes from it. Not much roastiness, not toastiness, none of that stuff. Just everything I remember it smelling like. All right, cheers. Let's give it a sip. Wow. Apparently, even though it expired over 2 years ago, it's everything I remember it being. Wow. There's a slight offish taste to it, but if I remember right, that's just how it is. Almost like a little slight tinniness. Not really too bad, not really too invasive or too, overpowering. My question is, New Belgium, why? Why? Why did you have to bastardize the beer? Why did you have to get rid of this delicious amber ale, this classic, this legendary beer, and a legendary beer style that I know have been brewed since 1991? And then you bastardized it in 2023 and made it a garbage, and I mean a garbage golden ale. They should have kept this beer. I would still be buying it all the time. This would be my, crafty-ish, just I'm trying, what word am I thinking of? Uninvasive, unoverpowering beer. This is such a classic. It's amazing. It's so damn tasty. And if my neighbor's still here in a minute or two when I finish the review, I'm gonna have him take a sip, see if he thinks it tastes like it used to taste like. But my gosh, this thing is remarkable. After probably in my fridge for 2.5 years or so, roughly, give or take, because it stopped being produced, I think, in I want to say late 2022. Towards the end of the 2022, they stopped producing the amber ale and started producing it as a golden ale. But this beer, 0 to 10, it's so approachable, so drinkable. It's an absolute. It's lost a little bit of its full bodiness. It's gotten a little lighter, probably just sitting in the fridge. I'm not bullshitting you when I say This is a 9.7 out of 10. This is one of the best amber ales that were ever brewed, and it probably will never be brewed again because, you know, New Belgium effed up and they got rid of their absolutely legendary, delicious amber ale. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the trail and in the next adventure. Bye.